Hi, Steve with CCI. Have you ever wanted to have your totals delivered to your inbox every morning so you can see how you did the previous day without having to log into your LaundryCard system? That's what I'm going to show you today. We have a scheduled reports feature as part of our LaundryCard Live subscription that'll allow you to schedule any kind of report delivered to your inbox on any frequency that you prefer. So you will go to your LaundryCard Live account and sign in. If you have multiple stores, you'll be presented with all of the locations that you have assigned to you. And on the left-hand side in the column here, you'll see a reports option. In here, you will already see all of the other scheduled reports that you already have set up, but we're going to go ahead and create a new one. And from here, we'll choose what kind of report we want. So we're going to go ahead and create a totals report. We're going to choose schedule and create. So since we want this every day, we're going to choose one for every one day, but you can see there are options to choose it maybe once a week. If you want this just every month, you can do that. So every week starting tomorrow, and I want it delivered. I want it created at the end of the day so I get the full day in there. So I'm going to choose 11:59 p.m. Hit apply. And then I say, what data do I want to show? I'm going to say at the time of the report. So that means that every essentially midnight, it's going to run this report. And you can choose whether or not you want all of the machine details to be included in that report. So do you want the detail of what washer number 1 did, number 2, number 3? For the example here, I'm not going to include that. I'm going to call this my daily totals report. I got to choose who I want to send it to. So I'm going to send it to myself. But if you put a comma in here and add additional email addresses, you can actually send it to more than one person. And now we choose which location. So I'm going to choose all my locations and hit generate. And that's it. We're going to see from our list here is all of the schedule reports. Here's the new one, what the schedule is, and when it's going to be delivered. I've generated one live here to give you a sample idea of what it looks like. And so you can see that it starts by totaling all of the locations together. They're in this report. It's giving me what the end date was, the week to date total, the month to date, the year to date. And as we scroll through here, it gives us a really nice breakdown of cash to credit cards, the machine usage, the point of sale information, and then at the bottom, a breakdown by each individual store. So that is our scheduled reports feature in LaundryCard Live.